Basic smart lock. Installation tutorial. Accessories list. Front lock. Rear lock. Lock the body. Key. Card. Screw. Square pole. Manual. So annoyed. Rubber pad. Gusset. Install rubber pads on the front lock. Install rubber pads on the rear lock. Take out the casings. Choose different lengths and sizes of solenoids according to the door thickness. Install the long two bushings on the front lock. And tighten with pliers. Install lock body. Screw on the fixing screw. Adjust the arrow at this position. Triangular direction. Pay attention to the same direction as the handle. Install square rod. Choose square rods of different lengths according to different door thicknesses. Install the front lock. Run the wire through the door. Install rear lock. Connect the front lock wire to the back retract. Plug excess wires into the door. Install fixing screws. Install the battery. Install the battery cover.